What's up, peeps? My Vapes here. Today we got another pod. Yeah, there you go. You are all excited. Right here we have a product that was sent to me by Lostvape. It's the Lostvape Quest Ursa Baby Pod Kit. It's the baby. It's actually pretty nice looking. So let's go to the dive down. Let me show you guys everything about this. Come back, vape on it. Then I'll give you guys all my thoughts on the Ursa Baby by Lostvape. And here's the packaging the Ursa Baby Pod Kit by Lostvape comes in. Inside the package you get a user manual, warranty card, Type-C charging cable, a Lostvape lanyard, and the device. And here's the pod that comes with the kit. It will hold 2.5 mLs of e-liquid. You do have the good old rubber plug right there. Gotta stick your finger in there, pull it up. That's where you fill it from. It feels a little bit thin, flimsy. It's flimsy. Yeah, I'm a broken record with these. But anyway, yeah, you got this little side fill thingy going on here. And this is a throwaway pod. Stats are on the side. 0.8 mesh coil resistance on there. So to fill this, obviously you're gonna pop the rubber plug there, stick the bottle inside the hole, and fill it. And after you've filled it, let it sit for a good 5 minutes. Make sure that coil gets nice and saturated. And after you've let it sit, you're gonna grab your pod, put it in there. Got a nice magnet connection. You're gonna see some lights come on, letting you know that it's made connection. Branding there, Ursa Baby. There's your battery in there. This has an 800 milliamp hour battery. I like the way they did a wrap on the battery. You could see through it. You could see the chipset there. This is strictly an auto draw device. There is no fire button on here. There's your Type-C charge port there. On the side here is gonna be your airflow controller. Right, so very simple and easy to use. And here's the other one that they sent me. This is the clear frosted and then the dark frosted one here. Pretty cool. They actually look pretty nice. And for a size comparison, I'll put it next to the Coco so you get a basic idea between the two. And there you go. That was the Ursa Baby Pod Kit by Lostvape. Let's go back on top. Let's vape on it and I'll give you guys my thoughts. And there you have it. That was the up close of the Ursa Baby by Lostvape. Mike, your thoughts, pros and cons. All right, the obvious con here is going to be obviously you only get one pod. Makes no sense to me why you would only give one. Yeah, I know. The good old excuse. We like to keep the price cheap. Cheap price. I got to get through going through the whole spiel again about why one pod or one coil is a bad idea. What if it's a defect? What if then you gotta go buy a pack of cigarettes? Come on. Always two coils. It's always been that way with everything. Don't make it one now, please. Stop the nonsense. Alright, so that's gonna have to be a con. Another con is obviously the rubber plug on here. It feels flimsy. You know, like it feels very thin. I don't trust it. This would have been nice. Top fill, in my opinion. That's gonna have to be a con. Other than that, I don't really have too many complaints with it. It does what it's supposed to do. Flavor is going to be just like any other pod. So it's got pretty good flavor. Not bad in pod standards. Type-C charge port Pro. 800 milliamp hour battery. It's going to be a Pro. The looks of the device, I like it. I like that I could see through it. The battery wrap on it looks pretty cool. Not bad. The pod itself, the way it sits inside there. Nice clicky sound that it makes. The magnets are strong. It's enough to get a Pro. How does it vape, Mike? Oh, wait a minute. Sorry, Steve. I almost forgot this one. Steve has a Pro also in this review. He said it's a Pro that they give you a lanyard. He could add it to his collection. He's got them all. He's the Mr. T of lanyards. He's got all of his lanyards and about 38 pods hanging over there. He's a happy camper. So I guess that's going to have to be a Pro. Mike, how does it vape? All right. Oh, before we go into how does it vape, we have airflow controller on here, which is definitely going to have to be a Pro. And it works pretty good. Let's vape it. That's with the airflow halfway. Tight pull there. Fully open now. So when it comes to the vape quality of this, for me personally, you're gonna get the loose vape. There's a lot of people that love that loose MTL. You got the middle with a nice, it's semi-loose vape, and then almost closed off. I just leave it like a hair open, and I'm getting that nice MTL vape that I like. So all in all, for airflow configurations with this, definitely gonna have to get a Pro. Not bad of a device. I'm actually liking the way it looks. It vapes pretty good. Mouthpiece on it. It's a little bit bigger than what I usually like on mouthpieces, but it's not bad. It's a pretty good device. And there you go. That was the Ursa Baby by Lostvape. In the description below, no links to this because I can't. Not allowed. Good old YouTube policies. We'll have links to me, like Vapes, down below. As always, that's it. I'm done. Thank you. Remember, be safe and keep on vaping.